Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Minutes of Tech. Today we are going to discuss about the PowerShell operators. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all we need to know what are the operators. Okay, so basically the PowerShell operators connect. Okay, so the PowerShell logical operators connect expressions and statements and allowing you to use a single expression to test for multiple conditions. Okay, so there are six types of operators in the PowerShell. Okay, so you can see here there are the six operators. One is arithmetical operators, that is nothing but the mathematical calculations. You can see here the arithmetical operators are used to perform calculation of the numeric values. We can also add and subtract, multiply or divide the values. These operators also include the modules operators to calculate the remainder of the division operations. Okay, so we are going to see how the mathematical arithmetical operators works and how we can calculate it. So we will see the more examples on this one. So we are going to cover each and every topic in detailed. Okay, and also we will see the uh, you know we will see the examples of each operators. So first of all we are going to see what are the arithmetic operators. So here you can see that we can use the add, subtract, multiply, divide and modules. Okay, same thing like the assignment operators. So what are the assignment operators? Assignment operators are very useful when you are doing the automation, that is used to assign the value. Okay, and it is also used to append the records. Okay, subtract the records. Okay, that we will see when we are going to make any project that we are going to do later once basic understanding is there for all the functions, operators and other things. Then we can go to the projects. So here you can see that the assignment operators are usually basically used to you know assign a given value to the variable. There are some other assignment operators like plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to and divide by equal to, and even the percent operator, that is nothing but the remainder values modules. Okay, so all this we will be covering in details. Again we have the comparison operators. Okay, so logical, so we have covered up the assignment operators, then we have the logical operators. Logical operators are nothing but it's kind of true or false operators that can be used. You can see here in the order is 4. And comparison operators, like the comparison operators are used in PowerShell to compare the values. For example, we can compare the string of two values to check that they are equal or not. Okay, now we have the, after the comparison operator, we have the redirection operators. So redirection operators are used to PowerShell to redirect the output of one command as an input to another command. That is, we can define the value in one, you know, the variable, and that input can be used to the another, you know, uh, variable. Okay, that is how it works, and then we can uh, output the records on the text files or CSV files. Then we have the split and join operators. This is very useful when you are doing the automation. So say for example, if you have more than one value in the in the variable, and if you want to keep in one line, then it is very useful to use the join operators. So it will be separated by comma and will show you in the same the line or column. Otherwise it will create the multiple lines and it will not give in the proper format. So that is why the join operators are used. Again we have the split operators. So if we have the multiple values, then we can split the value and use as a the arrays. So here you can see the more details like the split and join operators are used to PowerShell to divide and combine. Okay, so split is nothing but dividing the values and combine the substrings. The join operator is used to concatenate. Okay, so more than one or two values can be concatenate the multiply strings into a single string. The split operator is used to split a string into substring. Okay, so if there are multiple values in the same variable, we can split the value and define the string and substring values for that. Okay, so I hope you have the basic understanding of the the PowerShell operators, what are the types of the operators and how it functions. Okay, so we will go with more details one by one like arithmetical operators, then we will go with other assignment and we will go in details. So I'm not going to cover all the operators in the same video. Okay, we will have one video for each operator so that we will have the clear understanding. Okay, so let's get started with the the arithmetic operators. Okay, so here you can see that in arithmetical operators, there are around five values operators that can be used. One is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modules. That is the normal things that we do in day-to-day routine or day-to-day PowerShell scripting. Okay, and these operators are very useful and most commonly used in the the automation scripts. Okay, so as the name suggests, you can see the addition operators that is used to combine more than one or two, you know, the variables to get the result. Okay, same way you can see here we can add the numeric values as well as we can add the the strings as well. Okay, so let's get started and let me open the PowerShell so we can see the result and how it works. Okay, so I'm opening the Windows PowerShell ISC. Let open it as an administrator. Okay, so I'm just going through the the command. Okay, so let's comment it. Okay, so say for example here I have define the value a equal to 30 and b equal to $b equal to 70, and here I'm going to join a plus b dollar, and I'm going to see the result in C. So let's see what are the values that we are going to see. Okay, so here you can see the value is 100. Okay, now we are going to use the another example that is x equal to Don and y equal to Henry. So we are going to combine it. So let's see what are the result. Okay, so here you can see that the result is showing as a Don Henry. Now suppose if we want to put some distance, so here you can add some distance here and see how it looks then here. So you can see that Don Henry. So there is a space between these these two names. Okay, so this is how this addition works. Okay, now we are going to see the another example of the subtraction operators. So here you can see, so I have defined the value equal to 50 and b equal to 30, and I'm going to divide 50 minus 30 and let's see how much it comes to. Okay, so you can see that here from 50 the 30 value is deducted and it's showing 20. Okay, so now we are going to see the multiplication operators. Okay, here so you can see the a equal to b equal to 25, and again we are going to see a into b. So let's see what is the result of c. So it's 625. Now the division operators. Okay, so value here I have defined is 100 and I am going to divide by 5. Okay, so a divided by 5, let's see how much it comes to c. Okay, so it comes to 20. So now the last one is having, we have completed addition here, then we have completed subtraction, multiplication, division, and last one we are going to cover is modules. So modules is nothing but the remainder. If you divide the value, then we need to find out what are the remainder values that can be used. So here we go. Okay. So here you can see that I have defined the value a equal to 13 and b equal to 3, and I'm going to divide a percent dollar $b. So let's see, as per my understanding, if we divide 13 by 3, so it will go to 3 4s are 12 and remainder should be 1. So let's see how much it comes to. So exactly it is coming, remainder value is 1. Okay. So that's it, guys. So I have covered the arithmetical operators, okay, how it works, and we will see the different conditions while uh, preparing the projects related to the SQL server. Then we will cover up all these details and we'll combining all this, we'll see how we can use it. So we have seen that what are the operators, and we have seen the examples. Okay, so I believe you enjoyed the video. If you really liked my videos, then please like the videos and subscribe for my channel for forthcoming videos. Okay, that will encourage me to prepare the more videos. And if you really understand, like that it makes some value addition to your life and to your scripting, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. That's it, guys. Thank you.